Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your budget in Mint with Quicken, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your budget in Mint using Quicken, start by opening the Mint app on your device. Log into your Mint account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgets section through the main dashboard. Review your existing budgets to ensure they are up to date. Next, take note of the categories and amounts you set in Mint. Open Quicken on your computer or device. If you don't already have Quicken installed, download it from the official website and complete the installation process. Once Quicken is open, choose the option to create a new budget. In the budget setup process, manually enter the categories and amounts you've noted from Mint. Make sure to match each category precisely to avoid discrepancies. After inputting all categories, double-check your entries for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Save to store your new budget in Quicken. Next, go back to Mint to ensure your data is still intact. You may want to update Mint with any recent expenses or income. Now, to back up your budget in Quicken, navigate to the File menu. Select Backup from the drop-down options. Choose a secure location on your computer or external drive for the backup file. Click Save to complete the backup process. You should see a confirmation message that your backup was successful. Consider setting a regular schedule for backing up your budget in Quicken for ongoing security. By following these steps, you can ensure your budget is safely stored in Quicken while still tracking in Mint. This method helps maintain a record of your financial planning and progress. Remember to keep your Quicken software updated for the best performance and security. That concludes the process of backing up your budget in Mint with Quicken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.